I'm Derek Ray here on the commentary box, and I'm joined for commentary by Lee Dixon. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers versus Manchester United.
Well, thank you, Derek. Glorious atmosphere here. Really looking forward to it. The fans are too. The players look like they're up for it. This could be end-to-end. We could get goals today, Derek.
Well, who will be the player to decide the outcome, to determine the course of events? No reason at all why it won't be this man. Lee, what do you anticipate seeing from him?
Well, when you're playing against a player, sometimes you're trying to look at what his qualities are. Is he a good hold-up player? Is he quick? Is he this? Is he that? But when somebody tells you he's a finisher, you know you're in big trouble.
Initial 11 for Wolves. And there is a certain art to the way they play. It's all about defending with distinction and then playing on the counter-attack.
Yeah, absolutely. Play to your strengths. If you're good at defending, you can flood the front of your back four, soak up that pressure, and then we know what they've got up top. They've got players who can hurt you on that counter-attack, and they've certainly got the direction from midfield to get the ball to them.
Enjoy the game.
This is the team Manchester United will go with. David De Gea between the posts. Harry Maguire plays with Kurt Zouma in central defence. Paul Pogba plays with Fred in central midfield. And Anthony Martial is the main striker today. Well, it's a really poor challenge. Now, what's the referee going to do about it? Raúl Jimenez. Diogo Jota. Element of risk there, but he's won the ball. Give it away. Jota. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Jota. Marcus Rashford. Bruno Fernandes has it. Paul Pogba, Wan-Bissaka, in possession Adama. Well, Manchester United on the back of what was a season of ups and downs when Ole Gunnar Solskjaer moved into the job, replacing Jose Mourinho. They went 12 league games unbeaten, but they couldn't really keep that flame burning, Lee.
Well, there's no doubt when he went into the job, he did have an effect. The bounce effect of a new manager, plus Solskjaer's a man.
Are they going to forge ahead? Off the post and back in play. A goal in the early stages, precisely what they had been planning. Underway once more, Manchester United have hit the front. This could be an interesting avenue. His fate lies with the referee who booked him earlier. Well, that would be straightforward for any keeper. Anthony Martial. Rashford. Bruno Fernandes. In possession, Adama. Marcus Rashford. Not problematic for the keeper. Shaw. Is Zouma. Fred with it. Bruno Fernandes. He takes aim. And a goal here for Manchester United. They are the big favourites now. So 2-0 now.
Manchester United, number 9, Anthony Martial.
He's going forward well here. Far from a smooth challenge. Now, will the referee produce a card? Taking care of business defensively here. Doherty. Moutinho. Will he play it in? And very deftly cut out. Well, this is not ideal for him. He was booked earlier. And he failed. Great opportunity. Well, the post getting in the way there. They've given it away.
Well, I, for one, was waiting for the net to bulge, but it wasn't to be. The woodwork came to the rescue. Well, United in control with their possession. If you don't control the ball in midfield, it's very difficult to have enough of the ball to create chances for your strikers, and really has been a dominant performance.
Rashford. And he favours the inside route. Given away. And I must say, that was a very promising attack. The alarm bells were sounding. Paul Pogba. Really sitting deep now. That could be problematic. Pogba has it. Fred with it. At times they make passing look easy. A very effective clearance. Corner kick played in. The outcome is a goal kick here. Fred with it. Fred. Rashford. Can they slot it home? Pogba has it. A very disappointing effort.
Well, he's in a great spot as well. It's all about the decision-making, and he makes the wrong one.
Rashford. Bruno Fernandes has it. Shot attempted. Well kept out. Corner awarded to Manchester United. Not really the ideal clearance. Pogba has it. Straightforward take. Fred with it. Well, real difficulty keeping the ball. Well, the attacking options appear plentiful.
The fourth official has
They've
indicated
regained possession.
there will be a minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
Anthony Martial. On and on he goes. The referee spotted the infringement, and it will be a free kick in a position of genuine menace. A free kick, and the keeper took it cleanly. And there it is, the half-time whistle. And we're highlighting him for a reason. He's putting in a really authoritative performance here, Lee.
Yeah, well, he scores so many goals because he takes so many shots. The keeper must be absolutely sick and tired of him. Yet another goal today, and I don't think he's finished there either.
Teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. Fred with it. Bruno Fernandes. Martial. Excellent challenge. Good looking ball. There could be a chance now. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Read it superbly to take... Now, this might pay dividends. It's got to be! And the ball is in the net.
The crowd have gone crazy, and quite rightly so. What a finish that is.
So there we have it, 2-1. Martial. Paul Pogba. Fred. Terrific block there. He's driven in the corner. Thumped clear. Wan-Bissaka. Here is Zuma. Well, we always enjoy bringing you live action on EA TV, and Premier League action coming up. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers facing Burnley. It might be. Oh, they really should have a two-goal cushion.
Wow, he can't believe it, Derek. What a wonderful opportunity. You just wonder if they're going to live to regret that.
Well, just to point you in the right direction, we have more live action from the Premier League coming up here on EA TV. It's Manchester United facing Crystal Palace.
Yeah, atmospheres make games, Derek, and that should be an absolute belter.
And Moutinho with it. That's an effective cross aimed at the back post. Strong play here on the shielding front. Neves. Jota. Johnny. Well, that's a splendid piece of challenging. And the big news confirmed, Manchester United have succeeded in getting their man lead. Good visualisation and execution. Shot attempted. Well, first-rate goalkeeping.
Oh, he can't believe the goalkeeper saved that. That's brilliant.
So the corner played into the box. Well, he couldn't quite keep the header down.
Well, it was the pace on the cross. Sometimes with that much power on the cross, just cushion it, otherwise it goes over. Well, United have been very much in control over the last 15 minutes, Derek. The creativity's been relentless. Their forwards are on fire as well. The chances are there. Can they extend their lead?
Accurate pass upon accurate pass. Martial. Simple catch, really. Moutinho. Now with Raúl Jiménez. And he did. And it's a matter of what occurs in the final 15 minutes. It's going to be United's free kick. Maguire. Rashford. Great opportunity. And he opted for subtlety with the chip just over.
Well, I wouldn't say the chip on, but he did. He's a bit unlucky, to be honest with you, Derek.
To try to make it a bit more difficult for your opponent than that. Bruno Fernandes. And that was a very fine read.
Well, they haven't been at their best today, that's for sure, but this game is far from over, and the fans are certainly reminding them of that. You've got to think there'll be one more chance or two.
Doherty. And providing width. He has been deemed to be offside, not by much, Lee.
Brilliant, brilliant officiating, that is. Look at that, spot on.
Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Bruno Fernandes. On the ball, Richarlison. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. Can they hit on the break?
Well, Derek, just listen to that noise, doing everything they can to try and help the players out. Can they get this equaliser?
Doherty, delivering it into the box. The fist of the goalkeeper. has it. Bruno Fernandes. Pogba. Maguire. Well, by playing keep ball like this, we're keeping the opposition at bay.
2 minutes.
The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. And just the 1 minute left in normal time here. Paul Pogba. Moving forward effectively. And it's played into the centre. Danger averted. And there goes the final whistle. Well, as we run the rule over this man's work, positive after positively.
Well, that was a really, really good performance from the lad, and a goal to boot. Really delighted with that goal, I'm sure he is.